When I was 6 years old, I was driving along the road to school when I saw a dead animal that had been struck by a car. I asked my mom, how come there isn't an invention to stop your car when there's an animal crossing the road? That's when I got this idea. Hi, my name is Rishi Sankaran. I live in Connecticut. I go to 5th grade in St. James School. I have a strong passion for animals and nature. I love to code using Scratch, Python, HTML, App Inventor, and this summer I started learning AI with Ready AI. I also teach coding to other kids. I want to use computer science to help the world. Here's the problem. On the highways of California, many mountain lions are getting killed. Humans have invaded their territory, which leaves mountain lions no choice but to cross roads. When doing this, mountain lions have to be careful not to be hit by vehicles. Car and lion incidents are so frequent that the mountain lions may go extinct. People are already trying to help with these incidents using animal crossing signs and green bridges, which are bridges that extend across a highway to let animals cross. These ideas are good, but they are expensive, manual, and not always effective. They are not always effective because there is no way of telling animals to use the bridge. Can you go tell some animal, hey animal, can you please use this bridge? No, that is not possible. So there should be a better solution using the power of AI. My solution is iPuma. iPuma is a set of smart devices and an app. One device goes right below the back front license plate. Another goes right below the black back license plate, and two go on either side of the car frame. The IR sensor goes on the roof. iPuma is connected to an app on your smartphone and uses these sensors and AI to recognize mountain lions. iPuma can integrate with car AI, provide auditory warning, a beep sound, and send a signal to stop or slow down the car. iPuma also uses data from GPS collars already worn by mountain lions. iPuma shows mountain lion activity in an area and provides a detour option if there are many mountain lions along the route of the car. Here's how iPuma uses AI. The smart camera uses perception with sight, sounds, temperature, and location to recognize a mountain lion and bring the vehicle to a halt so the mountain lion can safely cross. It collects data using crowdsourcing and GPS collars. It uses the collected data for training and reasoning. The app interacts with humans by providing notifications, audio signals, and slowing down the car. Some details of perception are the use of camera, infrared, microphone, and GPS. Since this has infrared technology, it can work in rain and at night. Let me tell you about the positive impact of my project on wildlife and humans. Can you imagine a world without mountain lions? Mountain lions are the top of the food chain, which is important to the ecosystem. An impact of my projects is there will be a less possibility of collision of cars with mountain lions. It also helps humans. When you use iPuma, you will help with conservation and you can save money on vehicle and medical costs. In the US alone, there are more than 1 million automobile accidents per year involving wildlife. They cost more than $8 billion in medical and vehicle costs. iPuma can be extended to other animals too. Whether it's a grizzly in Wyoming, or a koala in Australia, or a deer in my hometown, this AI solution can be trained to work for any animal anywhere in the world. Here are the people I want to thank, especially my coach, Miss Visa. Now I am going to show you my demos. I am going to do 4 demos today. I have created an animation on Scratch to show you how iPuma works. In this animation, there are 2 scenes. The first one shows how iPuma can sense a mountain lion and stop. The second scene shows how iPuma can look at the data from GPS collars and provide a detour option if there is mountain lion activity. There are a lot of mountain lions on this path. Would you like to take a detour? Planning detour route. Now I am going to show you the AI part of my project. I used Teachable Machine by Google. With Teachable Machine, I can create a code to recognize things. I trained the code by giving it 50 samples of plain roads without mountain lines and roads with mountain lines. The two classes are stop if it sees a mountain line and keep going if it does not see a mountain line. Now I am going to test it with two photos. This is a photo of a mountain lion on a road, and now it says stop 100%. And this is a picture of a plain road with a car in front of it, and it says keep going 100%. I know that a positive user experience is important for any AI project, so I created an app using code.org App Lab. If you see, the home page has a mountain line. Then, if I click sign in, I can sign in to my account. Then it goes to the account screen where all the pictures my camera took are stored, along with the time, location, and date. Then, if I click the map button, I can see all the frequent sightings. If I hover over one, it will tell me the time it was seen. This app uses crowdsourcing to collect all the data. Another thing that happens when I hover over it is that it will show me a detour button. And if I click it, it will tell me a different route I can go on. Tinkercad is a website where you can create 3D designs. Here is how my car looks like with iPuma attached to it. So this is the front camera, and these two are the side cameras. And then this is the top IR sensor. And then if I turn it around, this is the back camera. I hope you liked my presentation. I am happy to answer any questions you may have.